Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to upgrade your builder home. These easy tips will make your home feel so much more customized and not so basic and cookie cutter. It's all about making your home personal to you. And technically, even if you don't have a builder home, you may want to look at these tips anyway because they're great updates and upgrades to any home. So let's get to it. One of the most important kitchen design moments is your faucet. Your kitchen sink is such an important part of your kitchen that it's nice to have a special faucet that reflects your personal style and most importantly can really make your kitchen feel more customized. Maybe adding a more professional styled faucet can bring more attention to your sink because of its size. It's a great feature in any kitchen. Or think about adding a faucet with a black finish. The finish alone can bring a jolt of excitement to your kitchen sink. A lovely traditional style for your faucet could be quite stunning. So even if your kitchen cabinetry is quite basic, a new faucet and a new finish can really update the overall look. And it's not just kitchen faucets, your bathroom faucets can be changed as well. Look for ways to introduce a new finish and a new style. Don't be afraid to mix it up. It's all about making your builder home feel more special and feel more like what you would have chosen if you were building it from scratch. One of the best ways to upgrade the look of your home is to pay attention to the hardware. Hardware can really set the tone for the overall style of an interior. Look for a style that speaks to your own personal style. If you want to warm up your space, consider a warm metal finish like brass or bronze. Handles with long back plates add a lot of charm and emphasis to the hardware. Black hardware is a lovely unifier throughout the space as well. I think interior doors should have the same door handles throughout your home, but you can also pay special attention to certain doors to make them even more special. Like closet doors can be elevated with beautiful glass doorknobs like these. The other type of hardware that can enhance the look of your home is cabinet hardware. A builder home tends to have pretty nondescript hardware. By adding interesting knobs and handles to your cabinetry, you can add so much more personality to your spaces. Personality that looks and feels more like your own personality. It's also your opportunity to mix metal finishes and play around with more interesting materials. Look for ways to mix styles together. Transitional door fronts with modern pulls. Or add more charm and character with a more traditional style of hardware. Your front door is another place to really make your own impact on the character of your home inside. Another key way to upgrade your builder home is to pay attention to the interior doors themselves. Most builder homes have pretty basic door styles. They're usually hollow core doors, which means they're not solid wood, so they feel very lightweight and sometimes inexpensive. So you could upgrade the doors to a type that is more substantial in weight and change the style completely. Instead of flat paneled doors, you may want doors with a shaker panel like this. A lovely single panel shaker door. It's a door that is quite transitional, meaning it can look modern and classic at the same time. Or a raised panel door if you're looking for added architectural detail and a more traditional interior. The door style says a lot about your home's personality, but that can be quite expensive. So the alternative, very easy solution to changing up the look of your interior doors is to paint them a special color. I love black painted interior doors. A semi-gloss black paint can really upgrade the look of the doors. Combine that with your new hardware and your builder home will truly start to look more like a custom home build. But black isn't the only way to upgrade the look. I love taupe or warm gray for interior doors. Or this special blue color on this double door entry into the dining room. Think about what a new color on your doors would do to the look of your hallway where there might be a series of doors. It can really transform the space. And speaking of doors, sometimes builders prefer to use closed doors for all the cabinetry in a home, specifically in a kitchen. It tends to be cheaper than glass cabinet doors. But you can really customize your cabinetry as well by having the inner panel of your cabinet doors cut out and replaced with glass. Adding a couple of glass doors to your kitchen cabinetry can add a ton of charm to your basic builder kitchen. Shaker doors are especially easy to change out to glass. Did you know you can get personalized interior design advice from me? I offer up 30-minute design consultations virtually. All you need to do is head over to my Patreon page for all the details. Plus, are you enjoying this video? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which of these tips you're loving for your home. I'm excited to read your thoughts. The next great tip for upgrading your home's interior from basic to beautiful is adding architectural moldings to your home. Even something as simple as crown moldings can really add so much character to your home. Builders tend to provide the minimum of trim and moldings, so if you can enhance your existing space with additional trim work, you can create a more custom look. Panel moldings are a great way to add interest to your space. It does require some math skills to get it measured out and detailed, but once these moldings are added to your walls and painted, the room can look so much more elevated. The key to making this look up to date is to paint all of the moldings and the trim the same color. It's very sophisticated. And you can really be creative about the size and layout of the panels. I also love adding board and batten to rooms. This can easily be added to one wall in your bedroom and make that part of your feature wall and a great backdrop to your bed. It can be full height or 3/4 high like this. Adding 3/4 high board and batten to your entry space can add a lot of charm too. I love the artwork above. Wainscoting in the hallway is always a very customized look. It definitely takes a basic hallway and makes it look more sophisticated. Builder home bathrooms tend to have just the basics. Perhaps some beadboard can be a great way to introduce a different material and an additional color to your bathroom. And finally, your builder home probably came with a very practical looking set of appliances. And although there's nothing wrong with practicality, sometimes you can inject so much more character by upgrading one or two of your appliances. For instance, your range and range hood is an opportunity for a really customized focal point. Many manufacturers are creating appliances with a more vintage or classic look, like the Cafe series from General Electric. White appliances are a bit of a throwback, but when they're accented with lovely bronze handles and knobs, they look really lovely. All you'd need to do is change out the range, and all of a sudden your basic kitchen is not so basic. The Cafe series has a lovely looking refrigerator too, for those that hate the stainless steel look. And if your budget allows, changing out all of your kitchen appliances for a whole kitchen upgrade is a great way to introduce a new look. Another great tip for a custom kitchen look is to hide the appliances behind cabinet doors. One easy way to do this without replacing your whole kitchen is to just change out the dishwasher. Buy a new panel-ready dishwasher and have a millwork shop create a door that matches your existing cabinets. Once your dishwasher disappears behind that cabinet door, you'll instantly have an upgraded look for your kitchen. Dishwashers are usually so boring to look at. I think this is my favorite tip. So here's your takeaway. A builder home tends to give you the basics. It's meant to appeal to as many buyers as possible. But there are simple and cost-effective ways to upgrade your builder home to make it look more custom and more like what you would have chosen if you were building your home from scratch. Faucets and hardware of all sorts can easily be switched out. Interior doors and trim moldings run through your home and can dictate so much of your interior style. And lastly, changing out specific appliances for ones with more color and charm can also make you feel like you have a custom home. Little touches go a long way. Don't be afraid to change things up. If you're looking for ways to add more of a cohesive flow to your home, check out this video. It's been quite popular and has some key ways to walk through your home and make your home more reflective of you and your style throughout. I'll link it below. Also, make sure to head to my Patreon page and become a patron. Not only can you support this channel and help me make more videos, but I've also got a very special VIP tier where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. So if you need personalized interior design advice from me, it's a great way to connect. Head to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. If you need extra help on upgrading your builder home, look for me on Patreon for virtual design advice. Let me know in the comments below which of these upgrades you're loving and incorporating into your own home. Maybe you've got some other ideas as well. I'm excited to read your thoughts. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.